CapCut just quietly launched the biggest update to their AI video generator. At first, when I first saw the specifications or what this model can do, I was blown away. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what this model can do. So here's the gist. This model is called Sedans 2.5 and it can create a 30-second video length at a go. Like, you don't need to stitch 8 seconds clip together to form 30 seconds. You just have one prompt, one generation, give it all your visuals, and you get a result of 30 seconds in 4K quality. As if there is not enough, there's even a beta mode that can create up to 180 seconds. I mean, you cannot even compare this to other models we have that have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, which means you have to like generate more than once to get up to 30 seconds, 180 seconds. So this is actually a very good upgrade. And the most interesting part is that it has an amazing reference system. What this means is that it allows you to reference up to 50 assets. I'm talking videos, images, your brand assets, audio tracks, everything that you will need for that particular 30 seconds. You can just give it to it at once. 50 of it. Now, just imagine you are running an ad, you want to do a product ad, you can just give it your product photography picture, give it your brand assets, give it the color palette, give it everything it needs, and then you will be very sure that the lighting will stay consistent, your brand, the video will align with your brand values, everything will just go consistently in one prompt. If you use AI video generative tools before, you know this is constantly a challenge where you have to make sure consistency runs across different 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds clip. This is actually a very good upgrade. Another feature that this model has is called the intelligent edit mode. What this does is that it allows you to edit a particular part of the clip without regenerating the entire thing. That way it saves time and ensures that your consistency is not interrupted in any way. And the question is, how do you access this model? Now it's very simple. Open your CapCut app and you'll most likely get a welcome pop-up of this model asking you to try it out. If you've already tried this, tell us what you were able to make with it in the comments. But for now, I created a playlist that can help you skip the try and error of trying to figure out what AI tools to use. I usually make videos of me trying out different AI tools and helping you see how they can make your work faster, so you can just check it out. A lot of people have found value from this playlist. I know you will find value too.